Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iCloud Drive to Google Drive with Drive for Desktop, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your iCloud Drive to Google Drive using Drive for Desktop, first, ensure you have both iCloud installed and Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. Open iCloud and sign in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, navigate to the iCloud Drive section. Select the files and folders you want to backup. Next, click on the download option to save these files to your computer. Choose a location on your hard drive where you'd like to store the downloaded files. Wait for the download process to complete before proceeding. Now, open Google Drive for Desktop. If you haven't set it up yet, sign in with your Google account. After signing in, establish a local sync folder for Google Drive on your computer. Locate the downloaded iCloud files on your hard drive. Next, open the Google Drive folder you set up earlier. Drag and drop the downloaded files from iCloud into your Google Drive folder. Alternatively, you can right-click the files, choose Copy, then right-click in the Google Drive folder and select Paste. Allow time for the files to upload to Google Drive. Once the upload is finished, verify that the files appear in your Google Drive online. You have now successfully backed up your iCloud Drive to Google Drive using Drive for Desktop. This method ensures your important documents are safely stored across different platforms. Always check for any synchronization issues after the backup process. You can also set up periodic backups to keep your files updated in Google Drive. This process is straightforward and can help ensure your data remains accessible and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.